Hi, this is Reverend Ken Wilcox at the Center for Spiritual Living here in St. Augustine, Florida. Today, I want to share with you an affirmative prayer and a reading from my new book, Rays of Hope, The Breaking Dawn of God's New Day. It's coming out in January, so keep tuned in for that. And in it, I write, life gives. Life gives to me according to my faith. As I lift my eyes to a greater good, Spirit rains down blessings upon me. Now, you know what, gang? I think we need to get out an umbrella and a raincoat and even some of those galoshes, because I am ready for a storm of God's blessings in our lives. And we can make it happen through an amazing tool, affirmative prayer, praying as Jesus prayed. So I'm going to do this affirmative prayer. I'll do it in the first person. Take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There's but one God, one mind, one power. That power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. And that power is raining down blessings upon me. Here today, I lift my eyes to a greater knowing for myself. Here today, I lift my eyes beyond all the daily toil and troubles that may surround me. I know in my heart sings a song of joy and of love and health and prosperity. That song was imparted in me by the very creator of the universe. So here today, I am joining that mighty celestial chorus and singing out the blessings of God through my life, my joy, my happiness. God won't have it any other way, and neither will I. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my friends, let me leave you with one last thought. Your life is not a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job this week is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Until the next time we see each other again, this is Reverend Ken. Many blessings.